of Joss Moses Kitchen. Today, the fifth drink from the Refreshing Drinks Around the World series. First, we travel to India. Second, we gone to Spain. Third, we gone to Turkey. From Turkey, we gone to Brazil. From Brazil, we are now going to Saudi Arabia for refreshing drink, champagne, no alcohol. So let's move to the video. Make this refreshing champagne drink with me. First, we have to slice some oranges. Now we need apple. Slice it. Very thin slices. Now we need lemon slices. Now we need a bowl. Onto a bowl, add some fresh fragrant mints and some lemon slices, orange slices, and apple slices. Squeeze some fresh lemon juice. Add apple juice. And combine well. And rest for 15 minutes. Let all the flavor infuse. Add some ice cubes just before serving only. Add some Sprite or 7-Up. And give a quick mix. The drink is ready. Now onto a glass, add the apple slices, orange and lemon, and pour the champagne on top of it. And garnish with the fresh mint we used there. It's beautiful, elegant, and it's quite refreshing. I hope you enjoy this beautiful summer drink. It's quite refreshing and it's a champagne, but not champagne in it. So it's non-alcoholic. So when you got time, please try this recipe from the refreshing drinks around the world. And share your experience in my comment box. And show your love by sharing the video with friends and family. And subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. See you with a new video tomorrow. Bye. This video, have you ever tried? What about this one? Or what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.